Eros Versace Eros. It sounds pretty erotic. That's just the vibe it gives with the blue, dark blue, gold. Versace does. They know their product. So without further ado, this is a unboxing, first time smell of this. So, you know, ain't nobody tinkered with this. Do I like the box? Yeah, I like the box. So that. First impressions, very shiny, pretty hefty box. So it's the, what is it? I got the 50 millimeter, or for U.S. viewers, 1.7 Florence ounces. Florence ounces. Box feels nice. Presentation pretty good. And you know what?